Hi everyone, how are you?
This is Mansi Malika, a tarot card reader, clairvoyant, energy worker. This 14th Feb is very well known all over the world as Valentine's Day, where we celebrate the vibration of love with a loved one and especially our romantic partners. We express our love, we communicate our love in various formats. Now this Valentine's, we are also having one other thing, having a lot of making a difference to the vibration in the cosmos, and that is Mercury retrograde. Mercury, which is a planet of communication, of logic, of mental dexterity, and then it is also going retrograde, which means it's going to cause a lot of miscommunication, delays, and kind of unexpected arguments even. But for some it can be positive. Now gifts are a real great form to express your love, to communicate how much this person is really important for you, and it's a great feeling to tell someone how much you love them, especially in the form of gifts, because it's not about the materialistic value of the gift, but it's more about how much time you invested in selection of that gift, in making an effort to show to that person how much this person means to you. And today I'm going to talk about, as per your zodiac sign, how you can really choose the right gift for this person that would spark the love vibration between both of you in a very positive manner, despite of the Mercury going retrograde, which is actually ending on 21st of February. Mercury will be direct on 21st of February. So either you celebrate your Valentine's after 20th to avoid any kind of confusions, or if you must, then probably why not take the help of tarot cards to choose the right gift and communicate your love in a very beautiful manner, which will have a long lasting effects, positive effects in your life. So without much delay, let me begin with the first sign, which is Aries. Please, before I even forget, I would really request all of you to like this video if you really liked it, and if you would like to leave a feedback how this video helped you, maybe in selecting the right gift and how it worked out for you, what was your response of your partner. So it will be really amazing. This is the only support I'm expecting from all of you through this video in exchange of the reading I'm going to do. Everyone, welcome back. So as I promised, I'm going to do a reading to help you select the right gift for your partner to give them, so that there is no miscommunication between you two and you can express your love in a very positive manner, which has long lasting effects. So let's begin with our first sign, which is Aries zodiac. If you're an Aries person, what kind of gift you should give to your partner? Alright, so let me show you the cards. Okay, so this would be for the Aries zodiac sign. Aries zodiac sign, I'm shuffling the cards and I'm going to pick out 3 cards to describe the gift. Now let me divide. So I'm going to pick out 3 cards, okay? Pile 1, then from pile 2, and then from pile 3. Okay, these 3 cards are going to describe me what gift would your partner love to have. So the first card is of the lady. Okay, so you need something that's feminine, you need something that is very caring, a gift that represents care. And then the second card is a letter, so it should be something which is related to communication. It could be a laptop, it could be a phone, it could be a nice poem, a poetry to express your love and nurturing and care for your partner. And then the third card, which is a garden. So if I combine all the 3 cards, it tells me that the perfect gift for your partner would be a nice song dedicated to him or her, or a nice date which has a musical night, Okay, take them to a restaurant which offers a musical night, and you can also dedicate a song to this person from their favorite female artist. So this is for the Aries zodiac sign which I'm getting, and this is the gift that your partner would love this Valentine's from you. All the best, Aries zodiacs. So the next zodiac that I'm now taking up is for Taurus. Taurus zodiac sign, what kind of gift you can give to your partner this Valentine's to have a great communication with them despite of Mercury retrograde and spark that love and romance between you both. So I'm going to shuffle the cards and let's see what the cards are telling me, what kind of gift your partner would love from you. So I'm again going to divide. Take 3 piles and select each card from each pile. Okay, so the first card is of a fox, the second card is a cross, and the third is a clover, which tells me that a gift your partner would really love from you is something related to what they can carry at their office, something that is related to their faith system, their religious belief system and spirituality. It can be a talisman, an amulet. Maybe if they follow, Gurdwara, they can you can give them a Khalsa symbol or a nice kara from there, and they can wear it to their office, which will help them in their achieving their career goals. You can also gift them a visit to a pilgrimage together. You guys can go to a pilgrimage, a spiritual place on your Valentine's Day, which is going to bring lots of good luck to your relationship. And it's more about their faith system. It's more about giving them a lucky charm this Valentine's. So Taurus people, your partner would really to have get a gift of a lucky charm which is related to their belief system. And if this person is not spiritual, then maybe you can give them their favorite color bracelet or anything that they can wear and carry it to their professional place for professional good luck. So this is going to help you and your partner in bringing that luck and light and romance into the relationship. All the best.